Good morning everybody and welcome back to another video. So we're going to be making a pink, gold and white marbled pot with some glitters. So I'm going to be adding glitters in each of the colours. There will be some clear as well. So I've got 8 ounces of the Apex High Gloss 1-to-1 resin from Just For You online. On that note, I'm going to put my gloves back on. I had to take my gloves off because they were full of resin. I'm going to put my gloves back on, get my mask on because we're working with mica powders, and I shall be back so when this is done. So I shall see you shortly. Bye. I hope you can hear me alright. I am speaking a bit louder. So in this one we have Fandango Pink. In this one we have Creamy Pink. We have Pearl White. And then just gold. And then in here, in there is my glitters, and I'm using the Just For You online range. So in there we have pink, gold, and it's basically just gold. And we've got white, and these glitters are iridescent, so they have got thingies. And then the pink I had for Just For You online UK was only rose gold, and I've used it all when I did the what video was it in? When I did the stenciling with the UV resin. And then so I'm just using a cheapie from Temu, which is a thicker glitter with an iridescent gold. And I'm going to be using the Elmer's glue. If you're not aware of what Elmer's glue does, Elmer's glue was discovered, not actually discovered, but this technique was discovered by Daniel Cooper. I will link Daniel Cooper's channel in the description box along with everything that's in today's video. And he found that you could stop glitter sinking by thickening up your resin. So I'm going to split this 8 ounces into 1.5 ounces, and then because I need a little bit of clear to do this, so I'm just going to do 1 drop in each. I'm going to pour the resin in each pot, and then I'm going to add the Elmer's glue. I'll show you on one of the pots what the Elmer's glue does, because I know not everybody has seen what the Elmer's glue does. Right, so I hate sticky hands, there's nothing worse. Right, sorry, I forgot to press unpause the video. So I'd poured a layer of clear and then 2 layers of pink and forgot to thicken up my resin, so I've just put the Elmer's glue in just before pressing thingy. So I've just put 1 drop in, as if you can see it's like hair gel. So I hope this actually pours up. It's like bogies. Sorry, it's like snot. So I am trying to stick to pouring it in a circle because that's the shape of the actual mould. But it is a little bit difficult because of the thickness of the resin. But I just don't want the glitter to sink, so what we'll do is we'll do this. If it doesn't work, and there's no marbling, then I will have to redo it and not thicken the resin. Yeah, that might be fine, that. Oh, there's resin everywhere. What little dots. Let me just clean my hands. Where's my alcohol spray? Here it is. Don't need a lot. That's it. And that's just their Supreme White. Just for your lines. Let's give this a quick mix. I don't think there's going to be enough resin. God. I probably need about ½ an ounce. Right, I'm just going to mix up 20 mils and then I'll be back. Let me just pop you on pause. Right, I'm back. So I mixed up 30 mils, not 20. I'd rather have too much than too less, because there's nothing worse keep stopping and starting to mix it up resin. So I've just added the Just Your Online glitter. So before we go in there, hopefully, just put your stick in and push down once, pull it up, and then do that. I just want to bring the white down to the bottom. About 4 to 5 times in the pot, and that should that's so thick and gluggy. Let me just get a paper wipe. Here's a question for you. For those that do resin and upload quite often, how many packs of baby wipes do you go through a month? I go through 18 packs of baby wipes a month. It costs me nearly £50 in baby wipes because I use the water wipes. They're quite expensive. It's like $30, which is about £25 UK money. So we just did enough. We just got a tiny little bit that we can put on there. Alright. And that's it. Just gonna give this a mix there. I'm going to do the same with this. It's annoying me, this gold. Oh, that's better. There is a big piece of gold on one side stuck on the side of the mould, if that makes sense. So that's what I wanted, and hopefully it stays like that. So I'm going to put this to one side. Just to degas for an hour. Then once that's degassed, I'm going to put it on my heat mat for an hour, and then I'll be back and we can demould and we can see if pink really does make the boys wink. Bye. Hi, I'm back, and these are now cured, so we're going to get these demoulded. So this was a custom order for a lady named Joanne on my Facebook. Just going to spray a bit of isopropyl alcohol, and what this does is it helps break the seal. Just spray a bit in and just rub it around, and it see, look, makes it easier for demoulding. Oh, it's very pretty. I ain't going to show you yet. I'll show you in a minute. I think this is the first jar I've made that doesn't have any bubbles. Right. So does pink really make the boys wink? So here is the jar. Here's the lid. I think that is absolutely stunning, and not a single bubble. I love it. If this gets uploaded, then you know that she likes it. Anyway guys, what do you think? Obviously the lights are making it a lot brighter than what it is, but I'll upload some photos at the end so you can see it properly. But yeah, that's what it looks like. It's got the marbling I wanted with the white coming through. Right guys, so I'm going to leave that with you for today. On that note, please like, comment and subscribe if you've not already done so. That would help my channel out so much. And I shall see you on the next upload tomorrow. Goodbye.